In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap, so the entire CapCut interface appears in the language you're most comfortable with. Start by opening CapCut. You can do this on the web in your browser or in the CapCut app on your phone or computer, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in to the account you use for your edits. The language setting controls the interface for that profile, so it helps to be on the correct account before you make changes. Next, head to your profile. On the web, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. On mobile or desktop apps, you'll find a similar profile button in the top area of the screen. Opening this menu gives you access to your account options and the app's settings, where the language control lives. Now, find the language option. It may appear directly in the profile menu, or you might see it inside a Settings or App Settings section. Once you open Language, you'll see a list of available languages. The list may include regional variations, and that's normal. Selecting a language changes the text across the interface, including menus, tooltips, and labels, but it won't modify your projects or media. Finally, choose your preferred language. Click or tap the language you want, and confirm if you're prompted. CapCut may refresh automatically, or you might be asked to reload the page or restart the app. If the interface doesn't switch immediately, a quick refresh or app restart usually applies the change. Your edits, drafts, and folders will remain exactly as they were. Only the interface language updates. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you use CapCut on multiple devices, you may need to set the language on each device independently, since the preference can be stored locally. If you don't see the language option, update CapCut to the latest version and check again. Newer builds consolidate these settings in one place. If recommended templates or resource text look different after the change, that can be influenced by the language and region, and its expected behavior. And if you ever want to switch back, just return to the same language setting and pick another option. That's it. Open CapCut, go to your profile, select language, and choose the one you prefer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy editing in the language that works best for you.